Welcome to the Asia-Pacific Agri-Food Innovation Summit. This video will show you how to best use the virtual event platform. You'll be sent an email from hello@swapcard.com to log into the platform. Click on the Let's Get Started button to enter the platform. Once you're in the platform, the first thing to do is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. So a profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it's important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, add information about your company and your skills. Displaying your skills will increase how many profile views you will receive. These can be real skills like project management or communication, or you can add your industry or your department, for example. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you've updated your profile, head back to the home page and click on the My Planner tab. Here is where you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you've received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can either confirm or decline each meeting, and once you have confirmed it, it will then be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. The unavailable slots will no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. The My Planner page is where you'll be able to see your chosen sessions and roundtables, and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings, and we'll come to each of these in turn. Back on the home page, click on the Watch Live button. Here, you will be able to watch the session that is currently live and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that session timing is adapted to your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees who are also watching the session, ask questions to speakers, and answer any polls. On sessions that have speakers and sponsors linked, their profiles are shown below. To see the whole schedule, click on the Agenda button. On the left, you can apply filters to search for either the plenary sessions or specific tracks, and the right shows you sessions that you have added to your schedule. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personal schedule and get notifications when they're about to start, you can either click on the plus icon in the list or click on the session itself and click Register. And these will then be shown under My Planner, My Schedule. As soon as a session begins, watch them live by clicking on either the session title or by simply clicking the Watch Live button. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event, and also for that month, you can continue to message speakers, exhibitors, and attendees to ensure you maximise your networking value from the summit. Head back to the home page and click on the Book One-to-One Meetings button to see the list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information that you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list people you should meet. On the left, you can search the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, company, or country. To connect with someone, click on their profile and click Send a Connection Request, which will then enable you both to share contact details, including email address, telephone, and address. Once you have connected, you can then send a private message with that person. And these connections are shown in My Planner, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select Virtual, add a message, and send meeting request. And the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in My Planner, My Meetings, and also in that person's profile. These can be exported to your computer's calendar. If you have any meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings book meeting slots. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile and view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select virtual, add a message and click send meeting request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings are shown in the attendee's profile and under My Planner, My Meetings. You can then export these to your computer's calendar by clicking Export to My Calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel the request to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you'll have to cancel it and book it again at a different time. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. Messages, connections, reminders, and updates are all shown here. During the summit, regularly check My Planner, My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it is time for a scheduled meeting, you will see a video call button appear next to the meeting in My Schedule. Click on this button to start the meeting at the set time and have the video call within the system. Back on the home page, click on the Roundtables tab. At specific times during the summit, there will be roundtable discussion groups which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions, and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can find a list of all the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable, add the session to your agenda, which will then show under My Planner, My Schedule. When it is time for the roundtable to take place, open up the roundtable session that you have registered for, click on a link that will be added here to the description, and enter the live roundtable discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone on the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Heading back to the home page now and looking at the Exhibition tab. The list of partners is displayed, with each having their own virtual exhibition booth, showing information, links and documents. Sessions which partners are speaking at are also linked to their exhibition booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side and also book a meeting in the same way that you would do with an attendee. On the top, you can bookmark a company, and these will then be shown in My Planner, My Bookmark Companies. Each company's representatives are also linked to the bottom of their booth, and clicking on the name will direct you to their individual profiles. The Startups page shows details of the companies that will be pitching across the 3 days. The chat room is a general summit chat for anybody to use to share ideas and start conversations. The Rethink Events team will monitor the chat room, so if you have any questions about the event and the platform, you can ask them here. And finally, heading back to My Planner, you can see the sessions and the roundtables that I have registered for now appear in my schedule, as well as my confirmed one-to-one meetings. You can export your whole schedule to your own computer's calendar by clicking the Export to My Calendar button on the left-hand side. Don't forget to keep checking My Meetings to accept or decline incoming meeting requests. My Networking will show the details of the connection requests that you have made. And My Bookmark Companies will show the sponsoring companies that you have saved. At the end of the event, you can download all of these into a single PDF by clicking Download PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.